I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by collecting the essential documents: primary ID, proof of new address, and the legal name change paper if applicable. Once done, decide whether you can use the DMV online portal or must appear in person. Different states have different rules and timeframes. Make sure you note your driver license number and prepare the required fee and payment method. This first step speeds the whole process because missing paperwork is the most common delay. So start only when your documents are complete. Now you complete the official change form, either online or on paper at the DMV. Follow field-by-field prompts and double-check spelling. After that, upload or hand over your supporting documents so staff can verify identity and residency. Mismatches are the main rejection reason. Next, pay the fee, and if the system requires, book an appointment to finish processing. Keep a digital or paper copy of your submission receipt because it proves you initiated the change and helps resolve. At the end, you either receive a temporary paper license or you'll get the updated card by mail. Note the expected delivery window so you know when to follow up. When your new card arrives, inspect every detail: name spelling, address, and expiration, because corrections are easier if reported promptly. If the card is delayed or information is wrong, use your submission receipt to contact DMV customer service or return in person. Persistence and the receipt will resolve most problems quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.